This, scholars, is the letter P. P all by itself makes the sound p, 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 p. Now let's take our next letter. This, scholars, is the letter H. H by itself makes the sound h, 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 h. But watch what happens when I put these letters together. Together, these letters act as a team or a unit, and they make a new single sound. And that sound is f. I know, craziness. Go ahead and listen to Miss Chandra make that sound 5 times. F, 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 f. Does that sound familiar? Well, it should, because the digraph spelled PH makes the same sound as the letter F. Neat! The letter F and the digraph PH that we're learning about make a continuous sound. That means, friends, that the sound goes on and on until we stop. I'm going to have you join me and we're going to make that continuous sound together. I'll close my fist when it's time for us to stop. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic!